And a very pleasant good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Midday Weather Report on KOXC.com and the KOXC Facebook pages here on National Peach Pie Day. That's why we have peaches in the background. Doesn't that look nice and refreshing? We need it on these hot afternoons. Let's check out the current conditions at the Brownwood Regional Airport. 86 degrees, mostly cloudy skies. We have a north wind at 3.5 miles an hour. Humidity coming on down as it typically does in the afternoon. 46%. The barometer steady, 30.10. Let's check out the temperatures across the whole area right now. We're 93 here at the KOXC studios. Typically, we're a little bit hotter here in the downtown area. More concrete around, so that accounts for that. Comanche at 92 degrees right now. Down in Brady, looking at 86 degrees. Out in San Angelo, it is 90. Coleman 89, Cisco 89, Abilene 89, Fredericksburg at 87 degrees. And those are your temperatures here for the noon hour today. Weather headlines: the week begins sunny and hot. Of course, we have a few clouds out there right now. Slight chance for some rain midweek. There could even be a shower this afternoon, but midweek, Wednesday, Thursday, you'll see a 20% rain chance. I'm afraid, folks, the triple digits are not gone. They're coming back Friday, Saturday, as well as Sunday. And those are your weather headlines. Looking at our satellite radar imagery, not too much happening here as far as we're concerned in our part of the country. Just those showers and storms moving out of the Panhandle into New Mexico. But look at the activity here on the Texas Gulf Coast. A lot of that blowing up this afternoon. Now we have Marco that is really bringing some very heavy rain from Mobile, Alabama, all the way into the Florida Panhandle. But we're starting to get a little influence on the Texas coast as well. Nationally, as we look at the satellite and radar, you're going to see that there's quite a bit of rain associated with the first tropical system, but it's the second one really that's going to be a big game changer for perhaps Texas and Louisiana right on the state line. Let's look at the hurricane data coming in on Laura. Laura is still a tropical storm and winds of 60 miles per hour as of midday today. So you see Marco, the weakest, going to move into Louisiana and then kind of weaken over East Texas. But it's Laura, and the track of Laura still taking it very close to the Texas-Louisiana border later in the week, about Thursday. So that's the one that we'll really have to focus on. And you can see it's a much larger storm and still trying to get its act together, even as it interacts with Cuba here at the midday time period. I'll be back with a look at your forecast after this.
Texas Bank is a vital part of our community. Without Texas Bank, our schools, kids, family, and our economies wouldn't enjoy the quality of life that Brownwood has to offer. Texas Bank is more than free checking and low interest rates. It's scholarships, volunteerism, and charitable contributions that make our community what it is. That is why I choose Texas Bank. Proven, local, strong.
And now onto the forecast maps. A slight chance for some showers down here in south central Texas over the next 12 hours. I can't rule one out for our general area. One or two spotty pop-up showers. More prevalent, say, McCulloch County, San Saba County, Mason County would be the areas. Going on to 24 hours from right now, taking us from tonight into tomorrow. And you can see, again, the same general area as far as the rain is concerned. The heavier potential for rainfall, obviously, over here where the tropical systems are converging here at this time. Moving on to 36-hour weather map, and you see, again, we just still have this little same area down on the Rio Grande. Not much happening here. And then 48 hours from right now, taking us into a Wednesday afternoon. Again, not expecting any precipitation of any consequence here in our area, but we really start to see that moisture stream into the state of Louisiana from the approach of Laura later on in the week. And so, that in mind, here is how the forecast looks for the rest of our day today. Looking for about 97 degrees for a high temperature, just a mention of an isolated shower possible. And overnight tonight, we'll look for a low temperature near 68 degrees. Skies back to mostly clear with just a few clouds around, light easterly wind. And for tomorrow, very much like today, sunny to partly cloudy, 95 for your high temperature. So here's the 7-day weather forecast. Have a couple of rain chances in there, both Thursday and Friday, 20%. Temperatures, it looks like over the next 3 days, are going to stay pretty much in the mid-90s every day. But there is more heat yet to come, and it's here on Friday, Saturday, right on into the weekend. Triple digits right around that 100-degree mark. Overnight lows in the low 70s. And that's your midday weather report. We'll be back live with you again tomorrow morning at 7:15 here on KOXC.com and the KOXC